Guys, what's going on? So today we're going to be talking about Bigelow Lemon Ginger Herbal Tea. If you guys would like some more information on Bigelow Lemon Ginger Herbal Tea plus probiotics, please just be sure to check my video description for more information on that. So if you guys have seen a few more of my videos, you'll know I actually recently had COVID. My son and my husband had it as well. And honestly, it was tough. It was really tough to get through. I'm still kind of getting over it. And I'm kind of learning like some stuff that has really, really helped us kind of get through it. Not my son, of course, he's too young. He's only 19 months, but me and my husband, we're taking like some supplements and different things that the doctors told us to try. So I'm sure a lot of you drink tea when you're sick in general. Excuse my cough. But we were told specifically like lemon ginger really helps your throat and your congestion and stuff like that. It's safe to take during pregnancy. So that was why I was drinking at least 1 cup of this every single day. I'm currently 8 months pregnant, so this has definitely helped me and helped me get through COVID. And it's pretty tasty as well. Hopefully you guys don't lose your sense of taste though. So this is the Bigelow Lemon Ginger Herbal Tea. It has probiotics, which really help support healthy digestion. It's caffeine free and it's all natural. So it comes with 18 tea bags wrapped individually in foil pouches. This is a 1.31 ounce container. What I like about this is I'm not crazy about, I know ginger is very healthy. I'm not completely crazy about ginger flavored anything. I'm just not a big ginger person. So I like that the lemon kind of offsets like that heavy ginger taste. And Bigelow is a pretty popular tea brand. They have all different types of teas. So easy to use. This is what the foil pouch looks like. And then it tells you here, steep for 4 minutes. The ingredients are lemongrass, lemon peel, cinnamon, natural ginger, and lemon flavors with other natural flavors. Lemon, verbena, rose hips, ginger, and licorice root, citric acid. So all natural ingredients. It is gluten-free and very easy to just rip the side off. So you could either boil your tea. I have a Keurig. I do it the lazy way. I just put the option for hot water through the Keurig, and I make my tea that way. If you want really good with a little honey and some fresh lemon, just squeeze it in there. That's how I was making my tea. And with the congestion and everything, it definitely helps me feel better. So anytime you feel like some kind of cold coming on, depending where you live, the weather could be changing, starting to get a little chilly now. You might end up with a little cold. It's a really good to just have some tea in the house, and this is a good one, especially with helping your digestion and stuff. So 2 steps to a great cup. Be sure to start with fresh cold water and bring to a rolling boil. Pour over tea bags, steep for 4 minutes or whatever time you like. I think like 4 to 5 minutes, because I feel like 4 minutes it's still like super hot, like too hot to drink almost. So I usually wait like 5 to 10 minutes for me. Then you can remove the bag, but no squeezing. You can make iced tea with it, which is good. I haven't tried that, but that sounds pretty delicious actually, especially if you put some honey. For iced tea by the glass, steep a little longer, pour over ice. So that's the side of the box. We have the nutrition facts on here. Of course, no calories, no fat, no sodium, 25 milligrams of potassium. And their boxes, tea bags, strings, and tags are 100% biodegradable, so environmentally friendly, which is nice. And then this is the back of the box. Again, here are the ingredients listed that I just read. Here's the key. We use a special foil pouch to protect your tea from any air, moisture, and surrounding aromas, so open and enjoy the unparalleled flavor, freshness, and aroma of Bigelow tea everywhere you go. Oh, and here's another thing with COVID. If you guys have experienced You know, if you guys have had COVID, well, first of all, I'm sorry if you did, because it is horrible, but there's like this lingering cough. It just kind of sticks around. It's been several weeks for me now at this point. And this has definitely helped my cough. I have to tell you, it's been helping me like get all that like mucus up and stuff. And it's just been something that's like really helpful. I try to have like at least a cup before bed or like after dinner, like anytime really. And then of course you could have like more than 1 cup per day. So it's just been so helpful with that. But of course, you know, it's like coming up on flu season and anything like that. If you guys experience any cough or like a sore throat, this is something you definitely want to have in the house. So guys, this was my video for Bigelow Lemon Ginger Herbal Tea with probiotics. With probiotics for supporting healthy digestion. I hope that you guys found the video useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. Thanks guys, and have a great day.